Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I'm looking at a couple of tool sets I bought off Whatnot. Whatnot, if you don't know, is it's an auction site. It's an app on your phone. Unlike eBay, you only have between 5 and 20 seconds to bid on an item. The host will show you the item and then set the auction running, and then it's basically keep bidding until it's either run out of time or people stop bidding. Now, I'm not a huge fan of these sites. You can get a bit carried away, especially if beer's involved. But I was watching this site on, it was either Saturday, I think, or Sunday. And I just picked up a couple of bits and pieces. So the first thing is DSD Tools 3/8 Hex Bit Socket Set. Now, I haven't had anything from DSD Tools before. I've never even heard of them. I'm not sure. It doesn't say where they're from. No, doesn't say where they're from. Nope, let's have a look at that. So this comes in a foam tray. Quite a nice foam tray, it's very thick. And there you have it. So you got H3, 4, 5, 5.5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So let's have a look at one. They seem okay. Chrome vanadium, and the size is engraved on each one at the bottom. Bit of knurling as well, not that you really need it. Yeah, they fit well. Fit good enough. It says CRV 8 on there as well on the shaft. I mean, there's a little bit of pitting in the chrome, but it's expected for the price, I suppose. It's only a cheap set. If it lasts a couple of times, then fine, fair enough. That one's a bit wonky, actually. I don't know if you can see that on camera. It's a little bit slanted up. It doesn't seem loose, though. No, it's not loose. It's just not quite straight. That might be a bit of an issue. So you can see it there, sliding down. It's not great, is it? Oh well. What do you expect for the price? So we'll give those a go and see how they hold up. So second thing, from the same auction site, from the same seller, is the DSD Tools industrial 4 slotted screwdrivers and 3 Phillips screwdrivers. Got 3, 5, 6 and 8 slotted, pH 0, pH 1 and pH 2. pH 0 and pH 1 are 75 long, the pH 2 is 100. The 3 and the 5 is 75 millimeters long, the 6 is 100 millimeters long, and the 8 is 150 millimeters long. So 7-piece cushion screwdriver set. Again, there's nothing on the box to say where it's from. I don't know where they're based. I'll have to have a look online and see. I mean, it's not a premium brand, I wouldn't imagine, not for the price as well. It says chrome vanadium on the shaft again. DSD Tools there, and the size 6.5 by 100. Box says 6 and that says 6.5. Right, where's the other slotted one? Let's have a look. What's this one say? DSD Tools 5.5. It says 5 on the box. DSD Tools 3. So that one's right. 3 by, yeah. So the sizes are slightly out. The box says 5 and 6, and on here it says 6.5, 5.5. They do feel nice though. They're very, very grippy. That is like a soft rubber over a hard plastic. They've all got a hole in for hanging up or for a loop. Be nice if they had a hex end just there, but again, like I said, for the price, £6 or £7, It's not expensive, they actually feel really nice. This one is an 8, so that's right as well, 8 by 150. So it's a nice big chunky screwdriver. Are they no, I thought they were magnetic for a minute, but they're not. And the Phillips ones, so we've got PH0, it's a tiny little one, 75mm. PH1, 75mm. And the PH2 should be 100mm, which it is. Again, nice. The big handles are really comfortable actually. Very nice. The smaller ones not so much, but I suppose you don't really put as much pressure on those. Overall, not a bad little set, it's okay. Probably worth the price I paid for it. Not a premium set, and as you can see the sizes are slightly out on the description, on the box compared to real life, but I can see using the bigger ones. That feels really nice in the hand. Plenty of grip, that little thumb stop there works really well. It's nice, I like it. So there you go, my first Whatnot purchase. I have got other stuff coming, so I'll let you know what it is and what it's like. If you like the channel, please like and subscribe. It doesn't cost anything, but it helps the channel a lot, and you get to see what next videos are coming up. Thank you very much.